Today we're making bromine. In here I have 50 milliliters of water, and I'm going to add 52.8 milliliters of sulfuric acid. Gotta add the acid slowly so it doesn't boil, you see. And I definitely didn't just add 40 milliliters of sulfuric acid. Yes. Amateur move there. Fuck. Alright, cool. Now that that's done, we're going to have to wait for this to come down to room temperature. Right now it's, I'd say 50 degrees, 50, 60 degrees. I'll get back to you when it's ready. While we're waiting for that to cool down, I'll show you the apparatus. We have a condenser. I'm going to add ice before I start to distill the bromine. And here's the still head. I'm going to be adding in potassium permanganate through there, 19 grams specifically. Here is a vacuum takeoff into a Erlenmeyer with thiosulfate, sodium thiosulfate in there to neutralize the bromine fumes. I'm going to have it going into this 250 milliliter flask. Should be making 80 grams of bromine, so only about 30-ish milliliters of bromine. It shouldn't be that bad. Yeah. Alright, so bromine is the only halogen I'm actually scared of, so I'll be taking real safety procedures, as in, you know, fucking turning the fan on and shit, and wearing a gas mask and all that, trying to get proper ventilation, all that. It's the only one I'm actually fucking scared of. And then after that, we'll be sealing it in ampules, this specifically, because it's big enough to hold all of the bromine that we're going to make. Alright, now we're going to add the potassium bromide, this right here, to the sulfuric acid. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So, I need to push this down with my stir rod, which I have across the room, all the way over here. There we go. Back over here. This makes hydrogen bromide, which then we can oxidize to bromine. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to spray down the sides with a little bit of distilled water to get the rest of it in. There we go. I need to take it out of the hot water bath now. Whoopsies. Wonderful. Alright, now I'm going to add the potassium permanganate to oxidize the hydrogen bromide. Put that back on. Bam. Pro skills. Now we wait. Great. Now that the apparatus is full of bromine fumes, we can crank up the heat to maximum. Yeah, max heat. Woo. Oop. The stir bar that I put in there is under powder, so that's not going to help very much. As you can tell, I'm actually scared of this stuff because I'm wearing my respirator. Which is, you know, probably a good idea. And we're getting the first drops of bromine. And bromine is condensing in here and flowing down. first drop. Maybe. Bromine has a really low boiling point of 58 degrees. So what's coming over is pure bromine right now. I managed to find one of my cat clips. Still haven't found any of the others, or the bag they came in. Which is fun. The solution's working wonderfully. Thiosulfate, thank you. Bromine is collecting in here. I should get about, yeah, I should get about 79 grams maybe. 79, 78. Now we'll just let this distill to completeness. Yield because I got some flowback of thiosulfate solution because I'm stupid. But yeah, real good stuff. Pure bromine.